I'm gonna show you how I reached 20,000 subscribers on YouTube and how you can do it also. Gonna be covering some secrets and some tips that you probably don't know and how you can get there a lot faster, especially if you wanna make it happen this year. So by now, you probably already know what you want your channel to be about, but getting to 20K is a lot harder than you thought. No matter what your channel is about, you want to make sure that you do the research first. Whatever the genre, whatever the topic, whatever type of videos or content you are creating and uploading, see what other people are doing already, what they're doing first, and then make a video on what they haven't covered. Yes, they did this, yes, they did that, or maybe they did this trick this way or this tutorial this way, or they created content like this, but what I noticed is that they didn't include this. And then you can make a whole video on what they didn't cover because people are always looking for every step of the way. One thing that can separate your channel from others is making sure you're delivering something that's unique to yourself. And as I mentioned, creating videos on what others did not cover that they can find on your channel. Don't be late, because when a video produces likes, shares, and comments, especially comments, you want to be quick to reply to those comments. And also, you can turn those comments into new videos. People sometimes comment on this channel, can you make an updated video to this because things have changed? Those are the type of comments you want to say, you know what, I'm going to add that to my archive, and these are a list of videos that I plan on making. Yes, thumbnail is everything, but you want to make sure that once they click on that thumbnail, you are delivering what they came to see. There is nothing like clicking on a thumbnail, thinking you're getting one thing, and once they click on the thumbnail because it's, extravagant, it's nice, it's elegant, but once they get past that, oh, this person is in a different room, this person is not even talking about immediately what the thumbnail said. They're taking forever to get to the point. You want to make sure that once they click on that video, because the thumbnail is drawing them to the video, once they click on it, start at least within the next 15 seconds delivering what they came to see. And the best type of videos you can make is be the answer to the questions people are searching for. Even when people type on Google, there's usually YouTube videos that pop up in the search results. If you want to make money, you want to make sure that you are inventing or coming up with things that are the answer to what people need, and you will never run out of money. You will never run out of business. Always be the solution to a problem, and I guarantee you'll be successful. On your road to 20K, make sure your channel has a theme for the thumbnails. Make sure that when people are scrolling through videos to watch, they can recognize your thumbnail because it looks like the rest of your channel. It looks like something that this person would make. Oh, they got a new video, let me click on that. But if you're constantly creating different styles and themes of thumbnails and people don't really ever know how to recognize your videos, you're leaving money on the table. You're leaving watch time on the table. And what you want to do is create a theme, whether your colors are blue and gold, whether it's red and white. You want to have the same type of font on all of your videos, somewhat very similar. One thing I want to say is if you are doing giveaways, there's nothing wrong with that, but make sure that you are following the state that you're in and the country that you're in, the rules, as well as the state or the country that the other person who's receiving the gift as the winner. Make sure you're following their rules and regulations, as well as make sure that you are mindful of the postal fees, whether it's UPS, FedEx, different postal services, because sometimes people have to pay an extra fee just to receive the gift if they are in a different country. And it's one thing to pay to have it sent off, but when they get it, if they don't have money or a job, they now have to pay $30 just to receive the gift or product through customs. Make sure you take your time editing a video. If you record a video today, it's okay to start editing tomorrow and even the next day. What you don't want to do is hurry up and rush through editing just so you can try to meet your, weekly or everyday upload posting time. You don't want to do that, and the reason why is because you want to take your time editing a video, adding all of the bells and whistles and necessary things in the video so that when people watch it, they will watch the whole thing. They will see something of value and share it with someone. They will comment in the middle of your video. If you throw something together, people can tell that you just rushed a video. Now we're already at the end of the video. How is this video over and it's only been 3 minutes? People like your channel, they subscribe to your channel, so give them something to watch. But when you rush it, you risk people not being subscribed to your channel. You risk people dropping off, meaning your video is not going to be recommended by YouTube if they're leaving as soon as they get in the video. So take your time, create a nice thumbnail, make sure you're articulating your words right, or whatever your channel is about. Try to deliver your best. And the further you get along, the more videos you make, you will find a way to make shortcuts on how to speed up the process in certain areas. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, because as always, there are a ton of videos on this channel that will help you out on YouTube and other platforms. All right, share this video with someone else who is also along the same journey as yourself. And I hope to see you soon at 20K subscribers on YouTube. Until next time, I will see you on the next video.